For God so loved the world, that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Knowing that a man is not justified by the works of the law, but by the faith of Jesus Christ, even we have believed in Jesus Christ, that we might be justified by the faith of Christ, and not by the works of the law. For by the works of the law shall no flesh be justified. Jesus said unto him, If thou canst believe, all things are possible to him that believeth. But without faith it is impossible to please him. For he that cometh to God must believe that he is, and that he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him. Through faith we understand that the worlds were framed by the word of God, so that things which are seen were not made of things which do appear. Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. For by grace are ye saved, through faith, and that not of yourselves. It is the gift of God. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding.